If your arrows in AutoCAD look too small, too hard to see, or just don't match the scale of your drawing, you can fix that in just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase arrow size in AutoCAD quickly and easily so your dimensions look cleaner, clearer, and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, and let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure the file you want to edit is already loaded because the arrow size setting is controlled through the dimension style used in that drawing. Once your drawing is open, look at the top ribbon and go to the Annotate tab. This is where AutoCAD keeps most of the tools related to dimensions, text, leaders, and annotation settings. Inside the Annotate tab, find the Dimension Style option and click it. This will open the Dimension Style Manager, where you can manage and edit the different dimension styles used in your project. Now select your current dimension style from the list. This is important because you want to change the style that is actually being used in your drawing, not a different one that isn't active. After selecting the correct style, click Modify. This opens the Dimension Style settings, where you can adjust the appearance of your dimension objects. In the Modify Dimension Style window, go to the Symbols and Arrows tab. This tab controls the size and look of the arrowheads used in your dimensions, so this is exactly where you need to be. Now look for the arrow size value. You'll see a box where you can increase or decrease the current size. If your arrows are too tiny, simply enter a larger number here. You can test different values depending on the scale of your drawing, but increasing this number will make the arrows more visible and easier to read. Once you've set the arrow size to the value you want, click OK to save the change. Then click Close to exit the Dimension Style Manager. At this point, your dimension style has been updated and the arrowheads in your drawing should now appear larger. If you don't immediately see the change, make sure the dimensions in your drawing are using the style you just edited. In many cases, the update applies right away, but it's always a good idea to check a few dimensions to confirm everything looks correct. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in the readability of your plans, especially when printing or presenting your drawings. So that's how to increase arrow size in AutoCAD using the dimension style settings. It only takes a moment, but it can really improve the clarity of your annotations. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more AutoCAD tutorials and leave a comment if you want to see more quick design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.